kiddos! In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about adding ed and ing endings to your words. Now, this is something that we do all the time when we're talking, but we don't always know how to write it down when we are writing in our journals or writing stories. And so I'm going to teach you the rules of how and when to add ed and ing, and then hopefully that will help you as you move forward and become better readers and writers. So if you have today's worksheet ready, it looks like this, and at the top it says adding ed and ing endings. Complete the charts below following the rules for adding ed and ing endings. So I'm going to go over those rules with you quickly so that you have a good idea of what you need to be doing on this worksheet. So the first rule says one consonant after the vowel, double the fun. So let's talk about what that means. First of all, up here I'm going to write down the vowels. Now in the classroom, if you recall, I had all of the vowels with a yellow star on them, but we are not in our classroom, so I'll put them here for you. A, E, I, O, U. Those are our vowels. I know that all of the rest of the letters in the alphabet then are the consonants. So if there is one consonant after the vowel, double the fun. So let's take the word mop, okay? M-O-P, mop. Here's my vowel, O, and I have just one consonant after that vowel. So if I wanted to add ed to say, yesterday I mopped the floor, I would write my word mop. Double means write it twice, that final consonant, and then add my ending, ed. And to add ing, same thing. Double that final consonant and add your ending. So today I mop, yesterday I mopped, tomorrow I will be mopping. Okay? So if it ends with just one consonant after the vowel, you double that consonant and add your ending. Let's try another one using that rule. Okay? Let's take the word chat. Okay? You like to chat with each other. So if I have the word ch, at, here's my vowel, and I have just one consonant after that vowel. So when I write the word, today we chat, yesterday we chatted, you double your final consonant, and tomorrow we will be chatting. Again, make sure before you add your ending that you double that final consonant if there's only one consonant after the vowel. Okay? Grayson just grabbed my camera, so I apologize for that. I need that, buddy. All right. Now, the next word that I'm going to give you falls under the little part here where it says exceptions. Now, I tell you all the time, there are exceptions to every rule. That means there are certain words that for whatever reason, they don't want to follow the rules. And it makes the English language a tough one to learn. That's why we spend so much time learning it. So one of the exceptions says letters M, X, Y, and Z. Okay? And you happen to have the word mix in your spelling words this week. So if we take the word mix, if I were to follow the rule, I would say there's the vowel and it's followed by one consonant. So my mind would tell me I should double that consonant. But because I see over here that X is an exception, that means it doesn't follow the rule, then I'm just going to add my endings to the word mixed, okay? It does not follow the rules. All right, so mixed is one that does not follow the rules. So you just need to be aware, and I put that on there, exceptions, M, X, Y, and Z, just so that you don't get confused when you get to those ones and try to follow that rule. Okay? Now the next rule on here says two consonants after the vowel, just add the ending. So let's look at some examples with two consonants after the vowel. Let's take, the word dance. No, dance will do for the last rule. I apologize. Let's take the word melt. Okay, I had some ice cream and I didn't want it to melt. So here's my vowel, and I have 1, 2 consonants after the vowel. So I just add the ending. M-E-L-T-E-D, my ice cream melted. M-E-L-T-I-N-G. Oh no, my ice cream's melting. So if I have 2 consonants, 1, 2 after the vowel, I just add the ending. I don't double anything. So if it's 1 and it's all alone, we double the fun. But if it's 2 consonants, even if they're not the same consonant, just 2 consonants, 1, 2, we just add our ending. Okay? So you are going to go through this chart and look at each of the words. Vowel, if there's 1 consonant, double the fun. If there are 2 consonants, just add your endings. And look out for those exceptions. I put some exceptions on there just to make sure that you are following the rules and realizing that sometimes there are exceptions. Okay? Now let's look down at the bottom part where it says silent E. So if it ends in a silent E, we have a different rule. It says silent E, drop it, please. So you're just going to drop the E and then add your endings. So now we'll use that word dance. Okay? So, I like to dance. Now, dance ends with this silent E. So drop it, please. Make it go away. And then add your endings. So now I just have D-A-N-C. I dropped that E. And then I can add either ED or ING. So if it ends with the silent E, drop the E, add your ending. Use is one of your spelling words this week, and that follows the silent E rule. So I'm going to drop the E, and then I will either add the ED or the ING ending to get use, used, using. Okay, so those are the 3 rules that you need to keep in mind as you work on this sheet. Down here at the bottom, these are all silent E words, so you'll drop the E and then add either ED or ING. When you finish filling in all of the answers on this page, I look forward to seeing it. So make sure that you upload it to Dojo. And if you want to color the little girl who is jumping and the little boy who is raking, you can go right ahead and color those for me. I always love seeing your beautiful coloring. You can color the stars down there too. Okay, so good luck with this. If you have any questions, you know that you can send me a message, and I'll be happy to respond. I apologize that baby Grayson kept trying to steal my whiteboard there, but I think we got most of what we need to know across, and I look forward to seeing you in more videos later today. Bye! Say hi, Grayson. Yeah, I'm saying hi. Oh boy. Bye.